Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to install and set up iContact action automation for workflow. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on install and you click on allow and install. Once you're done with the installation, refresh your tab and you head down to the custom page, click on it. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation. We have the smart queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup. At the level of the app setup, your app has not yet been connected. No worries, let's walk you through on that. We've already created our account online. Let's head to the account and you click on your profile, click on the settings and billing. Then you have the custom API integration. Click on create, copy your ID, head back to your account and you paste. Copy the email, you copy your API password, you paste. Then you head down, copy your account ID, you paste, and you copy your client folder ID and you do same. Then you click on complete setup and you click on the save changes. Then head back to your account and your app will be successfully set up and connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for our support team. And the most interesting feature, which is the changelog feature, where you're going to receive you're going to see all the new updates and changes made concerning this app. And to receive notification concerning the changes, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and you click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available 24/7 for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.